Good afternoon, friend. We have given circuit and we have to find out the equivalent resistance across the terminal A and B. So how can we find out? First of all, we have to check that the given resistance are in series and parallel. So first of all, we have to check it, how many resistances are series and parallel. So we can see here that this 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in series. 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in series. So we can find out for the RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ohms. So again we have to redraw the above circuit. We can see here that 2 ohm and the 2 ohm are also in parallel to each other, and 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel to each other. So when we find out the value of the Rp is equal to R1 into R2 by 1 R1 plus R2. So 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2 means 4 by 4 is equal to 1 ohms. So we got the value of 1 ohms, and after that we have to redraw the above circuit. So how can we redraw the above circuit? You can see here that after solving the above circuit, this 1 ohm and 1 ohm, we got the 2 ohms. So we retain here the 2 ohms. Again after 2 ohms and 2 ohms and parallel to each other, after solving the value of the parallel circuit, we got the value of the 1 ohm. So we have written the 1 ohm here and the 1 ohm here. So again we have to check whether which circuit are in series and parallel. So which resistances, we can see here that 2 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel to each other. So already we have solved the value of the Rp, means when 2 ohms are in parallel, again solve, we get the answer same. 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1 ohms. Means one thing we have take, whenever the two resistances and which have the values are equal, here the 2 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel, so the value when we solve it will come the 1 ohms. Whenever we have even the 4 ohms and 4 ohms in parallel to each other, when we solve it will get the 2 ohms, means value will come the half of the value, half of the given resistance value. Again you can check, again after that we have to redraw the above circuit. So whenever you solve the value of the 2 ohms and 2 ohms in parallel, again we got the value of the 1 ohm. So we have written the 1 ohm here, and after that 1 ohm we have the redrawn, means 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in series. So Rs is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ohms, because this is in series. Again after that we have to redraw the circuit. We have to not skip any step, we have to go step by step. So after that again we have redrawn the circuit, and this is 1 and 1 ohms, we got the 2 ohms here, 2 ohms. Again 2 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel to each other. Already we have solved the value of the Rp is equal to 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 ohms. After that again we have to redraw the above circuit, means 2 ohms came 1 ohm resistance. Again that after 1 ohm resistance and then 1 ohm resistance will be in series to each other. You can see here that this 1 ohm and 1 ohm are series to each other. Yes or no? That this 1 and 1 ohm means Rs is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ohms. Again after that we have to redraw the above circuit, and we will get like that. You can see here that again we have redrawn the above circuit and we got the value 2 ohms, and again 2 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel to each other. So again we got the value like that, means 2 ohms we got the value, means Rp is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Yes or no? Means 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2 means 4 by 4 is equal to 1 ohms. Means again we got the 1 ohm resistance here. Yes or no? Now we can check here, and we can see here that 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in series to each other. So it will got the Rs is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ohms. So again we have to redraw the circuit, means 2 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel to each other. We'll solve the value. Again we'll get the 1 ohm resistance. Again we 1 ohm and 1 ohm will be in series to each other. Yes or no? Again after that we have to resolve the circuit. Means we'll get like that. Means 1 ohm and 1 ohm, 2 ohms. This is 2 ohms written. Again we can see here that 2 ohms and 1 ohm are parallel to each other. So Rp is equal to 1 into 2 by 1 plus 2. Means 2 by 3 ohms. Yes or no? So it will be 2 by 3 ohms resistance. Means R equivalent is equal to 2 by 3 ohms resistance. So this is our answer. Thank you.